Now let's take a quick dive under the hood. What you'll notice is that it's actually pretty tidy in here. Could be cleaned up a little bit, but overall, it's very good looking. Engine bay. And what we'll see here is we've got our Rochester carbs. Got that 3-car setup, tri-power as it's known. That 348 cubic inch V8 here. We've got our Delco Remy badge there. And do be sure to take a look at our now uploaded photo of our trim tag. Trim tag was originally really dust covered and it's been painted over, so it eluded us at first. But now you can get a closer look at that in our photos, and it has been decoded as well. Now that we've seen under the hood, let's take a peek at the trunk. Everything in here looks really neat and tidy. You'll see we have our full-size spare wheel. Paint looks good. We have our jack and jacking instructions. Peel this up, and you will not find any rust.